To fix battery drain in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off RAM Plus. Now open settings, scroll down, click on device care, click on memory, scroll down, click on RAM Plus. And if you want to turn off RAM Plus, then turn off this button. Click on restart. After click on restart, turn off RAM Plus from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, contacts, documents will be erased or delete or reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, check battery draining apps. Again open settings, scroll down, click on battery. Here you will see apps. Click on view details. Here you will see battery usage or drain apps from your phone. This is how you can fix battery drain in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.